Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add an image to GHL form. First go to your GHL account. Okay, let's log in. Log into your GHL account if you have. And then go to the sub account. I'm going to my sub account. So this is the GHL dashboard. Okay, let's go to GHL dashboard. This is the GHL dashboard. Now let's go to sites. And then go to forms. Now click on builder. I'm just going to edit my form because I want to add an image on it. Now let's edit my form. This is my form, guys. On the left menu, you can see the form element. Let's find the image. I'm going to drag this image element, drag it up. Next, click choose file to add an image. Load the image. This is my image. Then save. And then click preview to see how your image looks inside the form. And this is my form, guys. And that's how you add an image inside the GHL form. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.